Okay, so how do you create a match? Well, there's a couple of ways of doing it. The easiest one is that whenever a new item that has never been matched before comes into the orders page, it will actually no longer have, it will need a match over here on the right. So you go ahead and click on match right here, then you can go ahead and say, okay, so this is example SKU underscore gray. I'm actually going to try a different one. I'm going to use this one. We got a SKU. It's bearing 1 underscore green. Cool. That's the item that I want to match. Yes, I'm good with that. That's what I want. So I'll select the ellipse bearing and I'll hit next. And then I'll say green because it's a green item. And I'll hit next. And we'll say, yes, create that match. And then if this is the first time this item has ever been seen and you want to send it through, this is a confirmation. Do you want us to print this right now? It's going to cost $6 to print. Are you good with that? And then here you can say, yes, I'm good with that. Let's go ahead and send it. But right now I'm going to say maybe later. So this is waiting for shipment, but we've created a match there. There's also the option, if you click on this item, we have this bearing set right here that is actually quite useful. You can create a match inside of here if you're inside of the order itself. It's a blue and red American bearing set. Okay, so let's create that match. We've got 2 bearings. One is blue. The first one, the ellipse bearing, is blue, and the second one is red. So now this single order, this single SKU, this bearing set underscore 1, if this order comes through, we will print both those parts, throw them into the same box for you. So you can create that match. And now you're set up forevermore. So that's how to match up multiple parts with multiple different colors. You could also do it with like a base and a lid or some different types of parts. And again, it's like, this is how much it's going to cost to print these items. Do you want us to do it? Nah, maybe later. I don't want to submit those orders yet. When you're ready to submit those new orders, you can hit submit over here. Another way of creating a match is you can go over here to the matches page and you can see what exists of the current matches here. And like, oh, bearing set is matched up with this and with this. Cool. Alrighty then. That'll do that. And then, or you can go to products and here are all the products that have come through before and any that are unmatched. Example item that is gray, you can hit match and then you can say, okay, the file that you want, and then you want it to be in gray. Cool. And you say create a match and that will create a match there for that as well. And now you can refresh this and you will see that those matches don't exist anymore over here in products. There we are. That match is gone there now. And those are the other ways of creating matches. And of course, if you ever want to update or change the match, you can always hit update and that is how you can change a match. But hopefully that shows you how to actually connect a file to individual orders as they come in. You do have to wait for items to come in before you can create the matches, but once they've gone by once, we have seen them and you can update those products forever.